If you're getting a loud, crunchy, metallic noise coming from your front or rear suspension, what you potentially have here is a broken spring. So the sound is very unique. It's not like a regular suspension knock. It's going to come from the spring over here. And if it does break, you're gonna hear this crunchy metallic noise every time you go over bumps. So in the case of this customer, he got pretty lucky. The spring only broke at the bottom and did not affect the ride height too much. But a worst case scenario is if the spring breaks at the middle, then what could happen is the suspension will collapse and your fender could be touching your wheel, since the spring is a major component in keeping the right ride height. So if the spring does break in the middle, you're going to hear an even louder crunching noise coming from your front suspension. So to fix this issue, all you have to do is replace your broken spring. Most of the time, the shock absorber and the top plate bearing as well are intact. Or to make your life easier, just get the whole front strut assembly